morning, Standard 7. I am going to continue chapter 6. In this video, I am going to explain you today the topic tests for allergies. Dear student, there are several ways of testing whether a person or an individual is allergic to a particular substance or not. Among this different type of the testing, three main type of test I am going to explain you. First, skin prick test. Second, patch test. Third, blood test. So dear student, by these three important type of the test, we can detect that a person is allergic to a particular substance or not. So let us first discuss about the first type of the test, the skin prick test. The common test is the skin prick test. In which a drop of liquid containing allergen placed on skin. The skin is pricked. With a small needle to allow allergens to enter in the skin. If a lump is surrounded by a reddish area, appears at the site, the test is positive. So dear student, let us know about the first type of the test known as skin prick test, and it is one of the most common type of the test to know either the person is allergic to a particular substance or not. So first of all, what should be done? On the skin, a liquid containing allergen is placed and pricked with a small needle. The common test is the skin prick test, in which a drop of liquid containing the allergen placed on the skin. After that, on the skin, pricked by the small needle to allow the allergens to enter in the skin. After that, what we notice, if in that particular area reddish appear at that particular site where the allergens are inserted, then it is clear that the person is allergic to that particular allergen or the particular substance. So when we place that particular allergen, we mark it. It is being marked. And if the person is allergic, redness appear at that particular site. And this detect, or by this test we can know that the particular person is allergic to a particular substance, dear students. Next I am going to explain you about patch test. Patch test. The patch test in which allergen containing patches are applied to the skin. Usually at the back. The patches are removed after 2 days. And the skin is examined for the reaction to the allergen. So dear student, in patch test, small patches which used to contain allergen are applied on the skin, usually at the back, and till the 2 days let it remain on the skin only. After 2 days, the patches are removed and it is being examined, is there any changes due to the patches containing allergen. if any changes like the redness, swelling, any type of blister formation or any type of the change is being noticed, then the test is positive. Either if there is no changes, no swelling, no redness, then the test is negative. Means the person or an individual is not allergic to a particular allergen, dear students. So, see here the patch test in which allergen containing patches are applied to the skin. Usually at the back. At the back only the patches are being fixed or being applied. The patches are being removed after 2 days and it is being examined that there is any change due to the allergen. And if the change is noticed, then the test is positive. Next I am going to explain you about test of allergen due to blood test. Blood test. Blood test for detecting allergies based on identifying and measuring certain protein that body produces to fight against the things and dirt. This protein is known as antibody. Antibodies which usually fight against bacteria and viruses. So dear student, by blood test also we can detect that the person is allergic or not. So you see here, by blood test detecting that the person is allergic or not, us identifying and measuring the certain protein in the blood which is being produced by our body to fight against the allergen or things enter to the body. And these proteins are known as antibody which is ready to fight against this type of the allergen or the microorganism which used to cause allergy. and this antibody used to fight and make it harmless. If the antibodies are able to fight and make it harmless, then the person will be not allergic to that particular allergen or the particular substance. If antibodies unable to fight, person will suffer or person will allergic to that particular substance or allergen or the microorganism which enter to the body. So by blood test also it is being identified that the person is allergic to that particular substance or not by measuring the antibody present in the blood which is being produced by the body to fight against the allergen or the foreign things which used to enter to our body. So dear student, please you read these three type of the test what I told you about the skin prick test, patch test and blood test. Thank you dear students.